O3 is obtained from O2. Here ozone is prepared. Ozone is prepared from O2 by passing a silent electric discharge. By passing a silent electric discharge through pure, cold and dry oxygen. Pure, cold and dry oxygen in a specially designed apparatus called ozonizer. In a specially designed apparatus called ozonizer. During this reaction, conversion of O2 to ozone is 10%. Conversion of O2 to ozone is 10% and the product is called as ozonized oxygen. And the product is called as ozonized oxygen. When pure, cold and dry oxygen is passed through a silent electric discharge. Silent electric discharge. Will get ozonized oxygen. Ozonized oxygen. Here delta H is equal to plus 142 kilojoules per mole. Since the formation of ozone from oxygen is endothermic reaction, because delta H is positive, so it is endothermic reaction. So since the formation of ozone from oxygen is endothermic process, then it is necessary to use a silent electric discharge in its preparation. It is necessary to use a silent electric discharge in its preparation because a silent electric discharge produces less heat and thus prevents the decomposition of ozone back to oxygen. Because why we should use a silent electric discharge? Because silent electric discharge produces less heat and thus prevents the decomposition of ozone back to oxygen. That is the reason. And if concentration of ozone greater than 10% is required, generally 10% of oxygen is converting into ozone. So that means conversion of O2 to ozone is 10%. If concentration of ozone greater than 10% is required, a battery of ozonizers is used. Okay, a battery of ozonizers is used if concentration of ozone greater than 10% is required. So here answer for this question, O3 is obtained from O2 is by silent electric discharge.